Hi, hey YouTube. Today is Monday, the 29th of July, 2019, at about 9:26 or so in the morning. And coming to you, I'm going to show you a couple of things here. Show you that view there in front of me, first of all. And we're somewhere between 38 and 39 miles up the Dempster Highway. That's what it looks like out the windshield, but you'll be seeing that on the time lapse I'm running out there. Here's what it looks over like to the right of me. All these really nice mountains and trees. The road for the first 20 some miles actually wasn't bad at all. But ever since we left the place where we slept last night, and you should have already seen that video too, where I flew and everything, that the road's quite potholy in a lot of places. In a few places it's not bad, but you know, I just wanted to show you though this view, and I'll kind of show you some as we go along. Here, I'm showing you up over top of the vehicle right now. Lean it a little bit. Try to get you some views over top, so you can see what's on the left side of the vehicle. Alright, I'll show you something in the next clip. Alright, so this is the interpretive center for the Dempster Highway. We're stopping at. They got these little passport books that you can get stamped at various places, and then turn in and have a chance to win something. So that's what we're doing. Now I'm out on the viewing deck up here. I actually have to come upstairs to the interpretive center. You can see that we're parked way down in there. So this gives you a nice view of the mountainscape around here. See, they got some solar going on. And there's the building right there. Like I said, you come to the second floor, you come out this building here. I mean, out that door there. And then you'll come to this. I look through this scope right here, but I can't make heads or tails out of it. But I do love those mountains over there. So this part is beautiful. We haven't come too far from that little visitor center that we were in, the interpretive center. Just wanted to stop here, give you a view of these mountains. And I know this doesn't do this justice, but I can promise you this is just flat out gorgeous. This is an extremely nice area. Look at the clouds in the sky. This truck flying by. You can see all the grayer clouds up there. And that's back down the road from where we came from. There's mountains across the road, and you can see Armenian RFJ right there. Fireweed across the road. More mountains. But look, we got nice blue sky up there. We were told the road does get worse between a place called Ogilvie and then up to Eagle Plains. That's the first place you get gas on this, by the way, once you start up it. That's why I got gas at that car lock. 229 miles up before we get gas. So we have extra to put in here, obviously. What else can I tell you? Just beautiful sun on that mountain there. But she said between Ogilvie and Eagle Plains, the road gets really, really bad. But after that, it gets better. And she said once you get into Northwest Territories, and all the way from there, all the way to Tuck, she said the roads are really, really nice, and you can just really make up some time. So that's a girl we met at the interpretive center that told us that. So we'll see you on the next time. All right, we just stopped along this stretch of the road here just to show you this and to see it ourselves. Got a nice pond down there. See the clouds in the sky. Got some blue up there, which is nice. Got some sun out there. But I'm here to tell you, it's cold, okay? I'm not sure exactly what the temperature is right now, but it can't be no more than the low 40s at best. But here, even over here, check this out. And look at my setup here. Crazy. There's where we came from. Here's where we're going to. And there's some dead animal on the road right up there, but let's keep going. All right, so you see this sign here? We were on the other end of this, I showed you earlier. And of course, so this is the opposite end of it. So we're now going to be going out of the park. We're still there, so I guess officially we're in it. and that's it back there. But I wanted to show you, someone just took some pictures of. And you'll see out here, hopefully that's coming through in this GoPro, but if you look out about there, there's a little island right out there in the middle of this big lake. Let me show you. The lake starts there and goes across. There's the island. And then way out there, and mountains in the background. Here's the road that we're traveling and be going on up. We're about 72, 73 miles, something like that, I think, up the road so far. It's been some rough spots, but hey, overall, it's actually not been bad at all. So let's keep going. All right, everybody, so we're still going down the Dempster. I don't know if you can see this or not, but up in here, I think my finger is just about pointing to it, what I can tell. That is a knight in shining armor face, if ever I've seen one. I actually took a picture of it with my long lens, my 7200, so I got a lot closer to it. I think it came out well. So if so, I'll add it into here and show it to you, but I hope you can even see it with this. But that's so interesting, I had to stop and get it. So hopefully you like that. Here's what the road looks like. I guess I'll show you this part. It's actually been smooth for miles, and that's the way we're going. Back here is where we came from, and you can see the rig there, still nice and muddy, but we're going on our way, so let's keep going.